everyone, it's Tanya, and I thought I would pop in and do a unboxing video today. This is a package from Scrapbookcom. I did remove my shipping label, and I did open it and take out my information that was inside the box. But I haven't opened anything or looked through anything, so I thought we'd do that together. I will link everything in the description box below. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to put them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So let's see what's in my Scrapbook.com box. I'm so excited. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to set the box aside. I'm going to pull out one thing at a time and we'll talk about what's in the box. So I guess the first thing I am going to pull out is this. I am so excited to have this. This is the Misty from My Sweet Petunia. This is a Scrapbook.com exclusive color, which is rose quartz, and I am so excited to get this. So let's take it out the box. I do already have a Tim Holtz stamping platform. I have a We Are Memory Keepers. Well, I actually have two We Are Memory Keepers ones, but I really have been wanting a Misty. I needed something with a little bit more space on it. And I also like the design of this, and I could not pass up this color when Scrapbook.com came out with it. Look how pretty this is. So this is, I think, what they call the 2.0 Misty. I may be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So this is like the second generation Misty. This is the one that's got the little handle here to open it up and close it easier. Comes with the grid paper, the foam mat. It's got the engraved numbers on it, and it's got the place for your magnet, your little magnet garage up here. I love that it's got these like corners that you can butt your card or cardstock or whatever you're stamping on in to make sure you get it in there right. It's compact. I just love it. It's so pretty too. Look how pretty it is. Okay, so that is my first item. I'll move that to the side for a minute. And let's see. So I also got the Misty Creative Corners. And I'm so excited to try these. I got some ideas on ways to use these. And let's see. Let's grab a pair of scissors. Some tape right here. Okay. Take these out. So these are magnetic here, and they fit in your Misty. And if I can get them out the package, so they'll fit in your Misty, and you can hold like your paper down, or if you're trying to do just a corner. There's so many different things you can do with these, and it comes with two like that. So you get two like that, and then you get this one, this one here, and this one. So I hope you can see those. So you get all those different corners to use. So I'm just going to leave those in there for now. Hopefully that will shut. We better. Yeah, there we go. We'll take the paper out. Okay, so those are the Misty Creative Corners. Now I also got the stamping tool to go with it that matches it in the same color. which is the rose quartz. And this is exclusively, I also believe, through Scrapbook.com, this color of this. So the Stamp Pendable Rose Quartz. And that is, of course, you know, for helping to put pressure on and make sure you get a nice even stamping. And it matches my Misty. And I love it when things match. So we got that. So also with this order, I think it was with I believe it was with, I may be wrong, with a $50 order, you got the 4-inch mint tape roll for free. So I got that. And if you have not used mint tape, you need to try mint tape. It is the best. And I will never use any other masking tape again. I'm telling you. I love this for masking off stuff, to do different patterns on my cards. It's good for holding your dies down when you're die cutting. It doesn't tear your paper when you pull it off. It's good for stenciling. I could go on and on. There's so many uses for this. And I'm super excited to get the 4-inch roll. That's a really nice size roll. I got my little card in here. This is My Craft Room Was Clean Last Year. Sorry you missed it. Pretty funny. They always send you a thing with who packed your order, which is really sweet. And I have a couple of these that I really like the saying of. I have to say, I'm a bit of a stickler for cleaning my craft room. Every time I craft, my room gets cleaned right after. I don't function well in a messy craft room, but I do love that. Okay, so last thing is we've got a little bag with some stuff in it. And let's see. So this die here is really cute, and I've seen quite a few people make with this die already. This was actually free with any order through Scrapbook.com. And if you order from Scrapbook.com, if you check under the free with orders, and a lot of times it just pops up on their homepage, you'll see that almost every time you order, there's something free you could add in with your order. So this was free, with any order. And I can't wait to use this. I think it's so cute. And I already have some ideas for this. I really love this die right here. And it was free. So this is the Scrapbook.com transparent mat. And my plan for this mat is also to use it. Let me get that back out. In my Misty. So let me move all these out the way. And let's get this opened up. So this mat has a little tack to it, so it'll hold your cardstock down. So my plan for this is, and it's, sorry, I'm trying to get the film off the back side. So it's got this tack on both sides of it. I'm just going to leave it on for now, but it fits perfectly in the Misty, and it fits in there and will hold your card in place. If you don't want to use magnets, it's great for just holding your card in place, but also you can use it for stenciling. If you're stenciling something, you want to hold your card in place, it's perfect for that. And like I said, both sides have the tacky on it, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the ones that if it starts getting to where it's not sticking, you can run it underwater, let it dry, and it'll stick again. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it is. And like I said, this is from Scrapbook.com, and it fits perfectly in the Misty. I'm pretty sure Misty makes one of these too, but this was a great deal, and I love a good deal. So that's what I've got today. So, and again, this Misty, this color, the rose quartz, is only available at Scrapbook.com if you want this color. So you have to go check that out. And again, the links will be in the description below. So here's what I got today. I cannot wait to try out all of my new stuff. My Misty Creative Corners. My little matching stamp pendable stamping thing. And my mint tape. And again, free. It was free with $50 order. And I am so excited about this 4-inch mint tape. So if you haven't already, check out Scrapbookcom. Keep a check on my page because you're going to see me using the Misty. I may do a video of testing it out and using the creative corners for the first time. And hopefully I can do a couple videos showing you some ideas for the creative corners, using the creative corners. But definitely keep a check on my channel. Again, the links will be in the description box below. They are affiliate links, but those links, when you purchase for them, help me to keep this channel going, help me creating and sharing things with you, and I greatly appreciate when you use those links. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It helps to get my videos out there and seen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.